Shalom everyone, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're going to learn one of the most useful words in Hebrew, kmo, which is used for saying like or as. This word helps you compare things, just like we do in English. You'll hear it all the time in daily conversations, songs, and even in the Bible. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The general word for like or as is כמו. 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 For example, to say, he looks like my father. Say, הוא נראה כמו אבא שלי. הוא, he, נראה looks, singular male, כמו, like, אבא, father, שלי, of mine. הוא נראה כמו אבא שלי. To say, she sings like an angel. Say, היא שרה כמו מלאך. היא, she, שרה, sings, singular female, כמו, like, מלאך, an angel. היא שרה כמו מלאך. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The word כמו changes depending on who you're talking about. Me, you, him, her, us, or them. Let's go over all the options with examples. To say, like me or as me, say, כמוני. 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 For example, to say, he plays soccer as good as me. Say, הוא משחק כדורגל טוב כמוני. הוא, he, משחק, plays, singular male, כדורגל, soccer, טוב, good, כמוני, as me. הוא משחק כדורגל טוב כמוני. To say, she thinks exactly like me. Say, היא חושבת בדיוק כמוני. היא, she, חושבת, thinks, singular female, בדיוק, exactly, כמוני, like me. היא חושבת בדיוק כמוני. To say, like you or as you, when referring to a singular male, say, כמוך. 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 For example, to say, I want to speak Hebrew as good as you. As a male speaking to a male, say, אני רוצה לדבר עברית טוב כמוך. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, לדבר, to speak, עברית, Hebrew, טוב, good, כמוך, as you, singular male. אני רוצה לדבר עברית טוב כמוך. To say, I think like you, which is another way to say I agree with you. As a female speaking to a male, say, אני חושבת כמוך. אני, I, חושבת, think, singular female, כמוך, like you, singular male. אני חושבת כמוך. To say, like you or as you, when referring to a singular female, say, כמוך. 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 For example, to say, she sounds like you. When speaking to a female, say, היא נשמעת כמוך. He, she, נשמעת sounds singular female, כמוך like you singular female. היא נשמעת כמוך. To say, I want to be like you when I grow up. As a female speaking to a female, say, אני רוצה להיות כמוך כשאגדל. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular female, להיות, to be, כמוך, like you, singular female, כשאגדל, when I'll grow up. אני רוצה להיות כמוך כשאגדל. To say, like him or as him, say, כמוהו. 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 For example, to say, I want to be as strong as he is. As a male, say, אני רוצה להיות חזק כמוהו. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, להיות, to be, חזק, strong, singular male, כמוהו, as him. אני רוצה להיות חזק כמוהו. To say, you speak Hebrew like him. When speaking to a male, say, אתה מדבר עברית כמוהו. אתה, you, singular male, מדבר, speak, singular male, עברית, Hebrew, כמוהו, like him. אתה מדבר עברית כמוהו. To say, like her or as her, say, כמוה. 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 For example, to say, she dances beautifully like her. Say, היא רוקדת יפה כמוה. היא, she, רוקדת, dances, singular female, יפה, beautifully, כמוה, like her. היא רוקדת יפה כמוה. To say, I want to learn to sing like her. As a female, say, אני רוצה ללמוד לשיר כמוה. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular female, ללמוד, to learn, לשיר, to sing, כמוה, like her. אני רוצה ללמוד לשיר כמוה. To say, like us or as us, say, כמונו. 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 For example, to say, they want to be like us. Say, הם רוצים להיות כמונו. הם, they, רוצים, want, plural, להיות, to be, כמונו, like us. הם רוצים להיות כמונו. To say, she thinks like us, say, היא חושבת כמונו. היא, she, חושבת, thinks, singular female, כמונו, like us. היא חושבת כמונו. To say, like you or as you, when speaking to plural males or to a mixed group, say, כמוכם. 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 It's important to mention that there is a very commonly used mistake. Most people do not say כמוכם. They say כמוכם. To say, we want to play like you. When speaking to plural males or to a mixed group, say אנחנו רוצים לשחק כמוכם. אנחנו, we, רוצים, want, plural males, לשחק, to play, כמוכם, like you, plural males. אנחנו רוצים לשחק כמוכם. To say they are not as smart as you. When speaking to plural males, say הם לא חכמים כמוכם. הם, they, לא, not, חכמים, smart, plural males, כמוכם, like you, plural males. הם לא חכמים כמוכם. To say, like you or as you, when speaking to plural females, say, כמוכן, כמוכן, כמוכן. Here as well, there is a very commonly used mistake, and most people say, כמוכן. To say, I want to learn to bake cakes like you. As a female speaking to females, say, אני רוצה ללמוד לאפות עוגות כמוכן. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular female, ללמוד, to learn, לאפות, to bake, עוגות, cakes, כמוכן, like you, plural females. אני רוצה ללמוד לאפות עוגות כמוכן. To say, I want to enlist to the same unit as you. As a male speaking to females, say, אני רוצה להתגייס לאותה יחידה כמוכן. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, להתגייס, to enlist, לאותה, to the same, singular female, יחידה, unit, כמוכן, as you, plural females. אני רוצה להתגייס לאותה יחידה כמוכן. To say, like them or as them, when referring to males, say, כמוהם, כמוהם, כמוהם. And here as well, there's a very common mistake, and most people say, כמוהם. To say, we work hard, at least like them. Say, אנחנו עובדים קשה, לפחות כמוהם. אנחנו, we, עובדים, work, plural, קשה, hard, לפחות, at least, כמוהם, as them. אנחנו עובדים קשה לפחות כמוהם. To say, she wants to be educated like them. Say, היא רוצה להיות משכילה כמוהם. היא, she, רוצה, want, singular female, להיות, to be, משכילה, educated, singular female, כמוהם, like them. היא רוצה להיות משכילה כמוהם. To say, like them or as them, when referring to females, say, כמוהן, כמוהן, כמוהן. And here as well, there's a very commonly used mistake, and most people say, כמוהן. To say, the girls sing like them. When speaking about females, say, הבנות שרות כמוהן. הבנות, the girls, שרות, sing, plural females, כמוהן, like them, females. הבנות שרות כמוהן. To say, I want to dress like them. As a female speaking about females, say אני רוצה להתלבש כמוהן. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular female, להתלבש, to dress, כמוהן, like them, females. אני רוצה להתלבש כמוהן. So now you know how to use כמו. It's super common. Try listening for it in songs, TV shows, and daily conversations. You'll hear it all the time. And of course, try using it yourself. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Hebrew lessons. And if you want to download the worksheet and to support the channel, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. תודה רבה. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.